Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Welcome back to my channel to all my OG subscribers. Welcome to my channel to all my new subscribers. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Today's video is going to be a little different. You guys always see me doing my hair. So today we're going to be doing my boyfriend's hair. And we're going to be applying the XTREME Texturizer on his hair to get a little bit more waves. He has some waves in the top, but he wanted to just get the little 360 thing going on there. Yes. So we're going to provide that for him. You know, this is my first time doing that, and he trusts me so much to do this to his hair, and we're going to get started. So stay tuned if you would like to see these results. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay, so what really inspired him to use this XTREME Texturizer? He's seen me using this XTREME gel, and he used it on his hair, and he was just so inspired by my curls. So he wanted to use this because he's seen the little waves. I mean, he already has waves, but he just wanted that full effect of that 360 wave. So I got him. This is my first time doing this, and he trusts me full throttle. Like, I love it. So these are the instructions. XTREME texturizing time chart. Okay, so hair texture total processing time. Fine hair 10 to 15 minutes. Normal 16 to 25 minutes. Coarse 26 to 35 minutes. What y'all think? Okay, so we might do that like 30-minute mark. I'm just kidding. Step 1, wear gloves during application. Bam. Apply Luster's pink oil moisturizing hair pink lotion or other protective gel around hairline and nape of neck. And you know why? Just in case it burns, guys. Boom. So that's what we're about to do. First step. Open this. Step 2, begin applying texturizer cream with comb at the most resilient or curliest part of hair first. These areas are usually at the back of the head or around the hairline. Now begin timing process according to time chart. Comb the product through the ends of the hair. Continue combing the hair to form desired wave pattern. Do not exceed total time on chart. Okay. Okay guys, so as you can see, I finished applying all of the XTREME Texturizer in his hair. So the direction says about 26 to 35 minutes. So we're just going to do 25 minutes, just a safe side, especially since I have been applying the texturizer in his hair already. So a little bit of minutes has been going by. So we're just going to do 25 minutes. And then I'll show you guys how his hair is when I start washing it out. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm about to start washing all of this texturizer out of his hair. We waited about 30 minutes before doing so. The exceeded maximum time was 35 minutes. Like I mentioned earlier, it was 26 to 35 minutes, and we're still in that time frame. We didn't want to exceed past the time that the instruction says. So I'm gonna just wash everything out, and then afterwards, I'm going to apply the shampoo that comes along with the texturizer. So we'll see how his hair and if these waves are forming with this texturizer. Washing out all of the S-Curl texturizer out of his hair. He says that he doesn't see a difference, but I don't know. I see it swimming a little bit. It's like doing a little waves here. You know, it's doing a little something. But anyways, we're gonna finish. So what you have to do is massage and apply this styling gel throughout the whole hair. So that's what we're gonna do, and so hopefully he started to see a difference in his hair. He just discrediting my hard work. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, this is his first time having this S-Curl texturizer in his hair. This is my first time applying it to anyone's hair. So if we missed any steps or didn't follow something all the way through, don't judge, because we're just experimenting just to see if this texturizer lives up to what it's supposed to do, and that is to provide waves. But so far I'm starting to see a little something forming, so I'm just going to finish applying the spray and the gel and massaging throughout his hair just to see what it actually does. Get off of this thing so we can see it. What? Get up, get. Okay guys, so these are the final results of his hair after applying the texturizer in his hair and the styling spray and gel. So that is his hair, guys, and I think I did an awesome job. So you see that? It's matching. It's doing its thing. Okay guys, so we're gonna ask James' opinion on how he feels about how this did to his hair. So, James, how do you feel how your hair looks?
It looks alright.
Alright?
Yeah. It's not bad.
Okay, how do you feel like the difference from a scale of 1 to 10?
I guess it's better than before.
You see how you discredit me?
Thank you.
Okay guys, so if any guys is watching this and you two are also wanting to get waves and experiencing the same issues, you can also use this and get this 360, and it doesn't take long at all. So boom. Okay, so if you did like this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Say bye.
Bye-bye.